Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin Lightning Network. Open a Lightning-compatible wallet and fund it with on-chain BTC to start. Next, create a payment channel by connecting to a peer and deposit the amount you wish to route. Learn to send and receive small instant payments, monitor channel capacity, and close channels to reclaim funds on-chain when needed. Also consider watchtowers and fee settings to protect funds and control costs. Setting up a wallet is straightforward and crucial for safe Lightning use. Pick a wallet that fits your comfort with custody and supports channel management. Fund it with BTC and confirm the transaction on-chain before opening a channel. When opening, decide how much liquidity you will commit and choose a reliable peer or routing node. Keep backups of your seed and consider using watchtowers for additional channel security and peace of mind. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum uses voice control and smart mapping to clean while you focus on Lightning learning, which is a little thingy that pairs well with saving time. It even cracks jokes in my head, but it really just vacuums. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sending and receiving on Lightning is fast and conversational. Create an invoice to receive BTC and share the invoice string or QR code with the payer. To send, paste the invoice into your wallet and let the route algorithm pick hops. If capacity or fees block the route, try a different route or rebalance channels. Regularly check channel balances, set sensible fee limits, and close channels on-chain if you need to free up funds or change liquidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.